Hello, welcome to today's class on the basic of RF from RF Corner. And if you remember in our previous class, we looked at RLC components, and we said that these three fundamental components, that is the resistor, inductor, and capacitor, are the basic building blocks for every other electronic components. And based on this component, either single of them in combination or combination of them in lumps could be used to build systems. So systems such as filters, high pass filters, low pass filters, band pass filters, and whatever. Those are systems, feedback systems, whatever systems you could remember. So, but then, before jumping directly into systems, start looking at what are the possible systems we could make with all these three or more components of electronics. It is important to look at types of systems that we have. So, this will be the topic for today's class. So, in today's class, briefly, we will look at type of systems we have. And systems could either be a SISO system. When we say SISO systems, it means a system in which we have a single input and our output is just a single. So you are just inserting a particular input and you are expecting just one output. So in this case, we are saying it's a SISO system, meaning single input and single output for this particular case. Another case could be that we have a CMOS system. And CMOS system, what we mean is that we are having a single input and we are taking out lot of outputs from the system. So this is a black box, and some things will happen in the system, and then we have a lot of outputs, right? So in this particular situation, if we have a system that is behaving in this way, we could call it a single input and multiple output. Single input and multiple output. A third, or let's say another system could be MISO. So a system could be in such a way that you are putting many input signals and you are getting just one output signal. So it's like summation of all this and it's giving just one output, right? So summation of all this, combination of all this, and it's bringing you one output. So this is what we call MISO. And what that means is that you are having a multiple input and single output. Multiple input and single output in this situation. Take note of that. And another system could be a black box system in which you are putting multiple input, and then you are taking out lot of output as well. So multiple input and multiple output. So this is what we call MIMO for short, as an abbreviation, MIMO. And in MIMO system, so this is like a multiple input and multiple output. So take note of this. So when we finally go to systems, where we'll be looking at different systems that we have in engineering or in electronics and RF field, you will now understand whichever one is applicable to which particular case. So take note of this and see you in the next lecture. Bye.